let's go and make something.
So I'm going to be making this part in 2 sections and possibly then joining them together just here, just to hold it. So it's basically 2 separate box units for the base. All I'm doing is using the lasers to roughly line it up. They don't actually have to be exact. To line it up, holding block, push down on the holding block. That's the normal story. The glue's doing all the work. I'm just using the brad nails as clamps. Okay, this is a new one. I knew I was going to hit the support, the chimney support there. It's only like 20 mil. That's not the issue. But when I was feeding it in, I've never really noticed that this house pile, being a lot fatter than that house pile, has given me less room to feed in. I've got more room up by the table than I have down here, yet they are on the same bearer. Oh, these are being cut oversized. They're not their final dimensions. So all I'm going to do for this one is we'll get the jigsaw out, finish that off, move the fence over, which will then bypass the chimney support and get a final dimension in theory. Well, I did not know that. I actually thought that, man, I've been here that long. Just as I was cutting that last one, I thought of a better way of cutting it to actually save on some wood. Too late now. So there's the general idea of it. These here hopefully will line up roughly with those, so that they're all supporting each other. I am going to leave them as shelves, I think. I might put a drawer in one of them. I might, but technically there's enough room to put another 2 or 3 containers in it. I think I've got enough, I believe. However, it does mean I've got to sort that out by the end of the project. I'm not looking forward to that. So you might be asking why I didn't just make this one whole sheet of ply. I want it modular, as in fully modular. I may want to raise it up when I get this new tool, or lower it down. The idea is once I've moved these storage containers, this bench here will be free. Well, it's not free, someone had to pay for it, but free of junk, and my Modeller's Engineer's lathe that I'm getting is going to sit on it. But I don't know how high I actually want that at the moment. Way too much glue.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And remember to click the notification bell icon, that way you'll be notified when I upload a new video. You can find us on most social media, including Google+, Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter and Instagram. Please also consider supporting me on Patreon. See you next time. don't forget to go and make something.